What if I told you that one of the most powerful health secrets was already revealed 1400 years ago? That science is just now catching up with an ancient practice, a practice that not only heals the body, but also transforms the soul? This is the science behind Islamic fasting, a miracle hidden in plain sight. 1. Islamic fasting, more than just abstinence. Fasting in Islam is not just about staying hungry and thirsty. It is a complete reset for the mind, body, and soul, a divine detox prescribed by the Creator himself. But here's the real challenge. Can you truly understand the depth of fasting beyond its physical aspects? Because if you do, it will change your life forever. It is one of the 5 pillars of Islam, commanded by Allah in the Quran. O you who believe, fasting is prescribed for you, as it was prescribed for those before you, so that you may attain taqwa, God consciousness. Surah Al-Baqarah 2:183. Science has uncovered mind-blowing benefits of fasting. The body goes through a process called autophagy, where it starts repairing and regenerating itself. Imagine your body as a city. Fasting acts like a cleanup crew, removing damaged cells, toxins, and repairing DNA. It's like a factory reset, but for your entire system. Research has proven that fasting reduces inflammation, balances blood sugar levels, and enhances insulin sensitivity. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, once said, "Fast and you shall be healthy." Hadith, Sunan Ibn Majah. And now, modern science backs this up. 3. Fasting and the brain, cognitive superpowers. But the biggest surprise? Fasting rewires your brain. Studies show that fasting triggers neurogenesis, the process of creating new brain cells. It also releases brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein linked to improved memory, learning, and even protection against Alzheimer's. Have you ever noticed how your focus sharpens when fasting? How your heart feels lighter and your thoughts clearer? That's because fasting detoxes not just the body, but the mind too. 4. The spiritual dimensions of fasting. But let's not forget, fasting is more than science. It's a journey of the soul. It teaches patience, self-control, and empathy. When we fast, we feel the hunger of the poor, the struggles of the less fortunate. It humbles us. It softens the heart. It makes us more grateful. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Whoever fasts in Ramadan with faith and hope for reward, all his past sins will be forgiven." Bukhari, Muslim. Isn't that incredible? A chance to erase all sins and start fresh. Who wouldn't want that? 5. Beyond the fast, embracing Ramadan's true essence. Ramadan isn't just about avoiding food and drink. It's a complete transformation, a chance to reset your habits, strengthen your prayers, and reconnect with the Quran. It's about becoming a better version of yourself, not just for a month, but for life. The real question is, will you take this chance? Will you embrace fasting beyond the physical? Will you let it change your heart, your soul, and your life? If this video touched your heart,